What's up, guys? Fresco VK here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. We have a special unboxing look for you guys today if you guys have been paying attention, and shouts out to you for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and YouTube. But we just recently unboxed the Air Jordan 1 High Court Purple, and we are unboxing today the Air Jordan 1 High Pine Green. So these shoes released right around the same time, but we gave you the Court Purple first. We're coming at you with the green today. And please stay tuned until the end of the video because we've got a special surprise for you guys at the end. So stay tuned to the end, but let's get to these shoes. So we have the box top here, as you guys can see, classic Jordan 1 box top. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. I personally, as you all know, love green, hence I got on the green shirt. Shouts out to my man Kendrick Lamar. But we have the Pine Green Air Jordan 1 High. So left shoe right here. So a lot of people are questioning whether these are the same quality as the shattered backboards or a variety of different Jordan 1s. It is the tumbled leather, but it is not the same quality as the shattered backboards, but they're still really dope. Green right there in the toe box area, the pine green. We have the black overlay. So kind of like the bread toe or even the court purple, just a flip on colors in these. So we have the white outsole here. Kind of like a white sail white outsole. We have the sail hit right here in the middle. As we get to the outer panel of the back end, we have the green that runs straight through, as you guys can see. Also the additional set of green laces here. And you know we got our ones laced up, but as you guys should know, the normal for the Air Jordan 1s, they come in the box unlaced, but of course the video, we got them here laced for you guys. We have the green tab right there on the tongue area. Get to the outsole, full green outsole, classic Air Jordan 1 outsole. We have the Nike hit with the swoosh right there in the middle. So I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the Air Jordan 1 High Pine Green. And as I mentioned earlier, I had a surprise for you guys at the end, so thank you guys for staying tuned. But let's slide these to the side. Let's open this box back up. We have partnered up with NBA 2K19 to present a giveaway brought to you by Stadium Goods and 2K19. In order to participate in this giveaway via our YouTube channel at Stadium Goods, you must, one, be subscribed to Stadium Goods YouTube channel. Secondly, you have to comment with your location, that means your state, your preferred game system, and you must hashtag Stadium Goods and NBA 2K19. So in order to participate in the Stadium Goods NBA 2K19 giveaway, and this is a special edition, so we've got the PS4 and the Xbox, and the winners will be announced within the coming weeks, but please make sure you guys pay attention to all of our videos, like and share them on Facebook and on YouTube. And we do have, once again, the Pine Greens, along with multiple other Air Jordan 1 styles available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, that's Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you again for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube. Visit stadiumgoods.com if you have any questions or inquiries about anything regarding Stadium Goods. Make sure you download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And last but not least, please follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco VK, and salud.